The following tutorial will explain how to add a PC Views host to any installed project within ArmoníaPlus. This is a required program for all users who are not using a WM Touch and want to use web views and the syscontrol app outside of their ArmoníaPlus project. To add the PC Views host within the install skin, simply select Design, Controls, found in the bottom portion of the ArmoníaPlus workspace. We can now select PC Views hosts and click Download Installer. Upon selecting Download Installer, the user will be taken to the PowerShop website. Once loaded, click on the download link found under the Views Host section. Install the View host on the Windows machine which will be hosting the web views and the app views. It is mandatory to have this server running on the same network in order to run and control the created web and app views. Right-clicking on the PC Views host in the Amplifier workspace, select Views host within the pop-up menu below. From this quick access menu, the user can choose a preferred view host, meaning, if selected, it will be preferred host for the created web and app views. Lastly, the user can also choose to exclude from host selection. This will block all hosting responsibility. To access the Project Properties menu, select the ArmoníaPlus emblem found in the upper left-hand corner of ArmoníaPlus. Within this menu, the user can select Views host and have full visibility of all views hosts available on the network. The user can choose which views they would like to use as preferred host, and can also exclude any views host from responsibility. Let's exclude the ArmoníaPlus computers for this example. Once the preferred Views host is set, select Views Designer found across the top half of the program window. Within this screen, the designer can build out customizable web views using multiple viewpoint screen sizes and custom images. The user may also select the App tab and build out of a fixed view, accessible from any smartphone by downloading the syscontrol app from either the Apple Store or the Android Play Store. Lastly, upon completion of both the web views and the app views, the designer is now ready to run the system on controls and views. To do this, simply select Run within the rocket emblem found within the upper right-hand corner of ArmoníaPlus. Using a PC Views host within ArmoníaPlus is mandatory if a WM Touch is not found in the project, and the user needs web and app views. The only exception is if the project foresees the use of WM panels only. The PC Views host is not needed. The use of the PC Views host allows the end user complete control of their system while using the created web and app views.